Hi everyone, welcome back to K Hair Official. I am Ro, a sales expert from K Hair. If you are thinking about starting or growing your hair business, especially in Brazil, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple guide on how to import high quality virgin hair from Vietnam to Brazil. First, why should you import virgin hair from Vietnam? Vietnamese virgin hair is popular in Brazil because it is natural, soft, durable, and very easy to style. Now, how do you find a reliable supplier in Vietnam? Start by doing online research. Look for supplier with good review and ask for sample before you make any big order. You can check the quality by seeing if the hair is soft, strong, and truly untreated. Building a good relationship with those suppliers is very important to avoid delay or issues. Make it understanding shipping to Brazil can be straightforward if you choose the right option. We recommend choosing aggressively for fast delivery, especially if you're stocking. For shipping, you can choose FedEx, DHL, UPS for faster delivery. Always make sure your shipment is well packaged and installed to avoid damage. Vietnamese suppliers usually offer good packaging to keep the hair tangle-free during transit. The first step is payment. Sadly, it key. All factory offers skill payment options like free transfer, watching unit, only MoneyGram, depend on what's most convenient for you. Make sure you're comfortable with method and feel secure. So that's a simple guide on how to import virgin hair from Vietnam to Brazil. If you have any question or want to place an order, please contact me now on WhatsApp. I'm happy to assist you with all details to help you grow your hair business. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on running your hair business.